light. Mm-hmm.
See, this is a rotary engine. So when you spin it apart,
Mm-hmm. The whole engine spins. The thing that bugs me is how do they get the fuel in there? Goes through the crankshaft, don't it?
yeah, fuel pump is right there in the second part. See the tubing?
In the back?
No, right here in the middle. Carburetor's back here.
Right. Yeah, that's what. Great. Can you give that a spin?
No.
No.
That's heavy.
You can spin that one though, right?
Oh yeah, with blade.
Mm-hmm.
This is too heavy.
Oh, okay.
See, just one push rod.
Right.
Opens both the exhaust and the intake.
Oh, really? So it's got an exhaust and an intake valve?
Sure.
Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Intake, exhaust.
And then the air fuel mixture comes through the crankcase, right? And then, but that whole engine spins.
No, I won't touch it because
It's
he just found it a year ago.
yeah. It's like a huge gyroscope.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he found it online, on eBay. I've been looking 31 years for that engine.
Man, that's amazing.
So when he got it in here, I went over and looked at it.
Mm-hmm.
He's looking at it. He said, I wonder where this guy kept it. So he called him.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you keep this? In his living room. That was their coffee table.
Oh, well, I was going to say it's a work of art.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. His coffee table. Wow. Very good. Anyway, World War I. Sopwith Camel. All wood. Couple of pieces of aluminum. Wires. Beautiful.